Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time since I've uploaded a video. I think last week. So this week supposed to upload it in the beginning of the week itself. So this video is about my Chikmagalur trip. So I went to the Chikmagalur on last Friday. So the date was that date and I came back on Monday and I'll be talking back like this. So I've packed up everything. Look, my luggage is packed and I'm using my tank bag for all the GoPro accessories. Cap is needed because hot sun. Look at this hot sun outside. It is overpowering the bulb. I was supposed to go in the car. Me, my dad's brother, youngest cousin brother, and one of his friends. So all three of us in his car. So from here, I had to go to his place in an auto. I booked an Uber but the Uber fellows kept cancelling. Okay, all set to leave. This is my ride. So after booking an Uber kept cancelling. So I took off the dad's two-wheeler, and I went there, directly parked, gave the keys to my grandfather, and from there we took off, and me and my dad's cousin, I told, we both went and picked up one of his friend. His name is Nelson.
Hi guys, I am back.
And by the way, my uncle's name is Moses. Ting!
Wait, I'll do that.
Ting! So all three of us we went. So the first day I didn't record much because I was very shy to record first day, very shy. And it was nothing much, just traveling and going. The first day we reached the hotel. So the reason of we going there was just chumma, we had to go. So we went there. So the first day was nothing. The second day,
Look at the mess we've made. I don't know why I am talking so low. Right now, we are in Chikmagalur. I don't know why I am talking so low. Low. My face also looks very big. What a tragedy. Yesterday, I didn't record much because Shai was coming. Maybe that is why I am talking low. Come on.
my uncle was setting up his gimbal. It is Ronin RS2, RS5, DJ 70,000 damage for that, but it is worth. So once we got that gimbal, it took us literally 4 hours and to set it up. So my uncle was sitting and setting it up. I was sitting and vlogging over there. You'll see the way how it was vlogging there.
Now I'll show you one thing. For all the videography enthusiasts, wait.
Look at this huge setup. I should have recorded the procedure from the beginning. The amount of struggle we had. Still it's not set.
Let's balance it out and see it. The hand tool.
வாஷ் பேசன் பக்கத்துல இருக்கதானே ஹேண்ட் டவல்ன்றீங்க? இல்ல, இந்த பக்கம் சைடுல இருக்கு பாருங்க, 2 டவல் மேல.
Much later.
The gimbal is now set. Now the tragedy is again you have to remove and keep.
Where is the camera?
Oh yeah, that day we also had to go to Mulliyangiri Betta. Mulliyangiri Peak. Mulliyangiri Peak. And also day 1 we stayed at one place called Sunyata Hotel. It was good, decent hotel. It was nice. So the one day at Sunyata Hotel, another day we booked a homestay to go and stay there. So we are checking out this place. Look at this place. So we went to Mulyangiri Peak all the way. I recorded the vlog. With the GoPro. I recorded and I came. Went. Sorry. I think this is the checkpost.
Thank you.
Noodles. Sunroof, you have to send the vehicle car to. We finally reached
The viewpoint.
viewpoint. You can see one small lake.
चलो देखेंगे. You remember the other place I showed you with the swimming pool? That's the place over there. Can you see it? Come inside. Come inside.
Oh, that one.
You can see in the swimming pool over there. That's the one that Sajal told to go. But we told it's too costly, no? For one night. That he told keep that as a second option. The one we are going to, he told keep that as a first option. I was telling for me when it comes to heights, it's not that I'm scared of it. I just feel like jumping. I'm very weird like that. I don't care how high it is. I just get that urge that I just want to jump. That's been from childhood.
For me, that view.
For me, imagine if I was standing over there and if there's a drop, I'll be like, I'll take all the precautions. I'll be like, let's jump.
I want to do bungee jump from Malan.
I did once.
Yeah.
My brother, my Palace Grounds, Iron Maiden concert. My brother got scared. Viju was like, hey, tu melo imantlar maka jitta maka.
So we went first to one point. So we saw the view. There was nothing much. Then after that, we still went climbing up. The roads became so narrow. I think if any bus comes, gone. You have to take the car and keep it that side. It was like that. Mulyangiri.
No, we can go. TT and minibus not enough. From here you'll get good views, Ajay.
Cameras on.
Bhai, check out the views on your left now. All unobstructed views now. See, my crazy self will want to drive the car off later. I'm very scary like that once in a while. Suddenly, I'll feel like that. No, just imagine what would happen if you drive off like that.
Dialogue.
John, cars don't fly! Cars don't fly!
Dog. Cars don't fly. Fast and Furious.
Let's put some Red Bull and check it out. I'm very scared. I'm very creepy that way. I want to jump from there.
Uncle, we will park here, we'll get down. Someone has to be there to inform at home, no?
They'll find the car.
Here, if we put the car down, all the parts will go separate.
Full bar.
maybe during winter season we come full
mist.
You can't see the
Can't see
view also.
especially in the morning. That's why they say if you want to go to Mulangiri, you have to come. You have to come twice. Once in winter and once in summer. You have to walk. You have to walk like that.
We are going yatra over there. Going up is difficult. Coming down, we'll roll and come. So we went. After we reached top, no, one car came like this only. It came in front of us. We didn't know what that fellow was doing also. It was like, it's a slope. Our car is here, and that car is coming here. It is like it's climbing over us and coming. So we stopped there. We thought if we go more further, we can't take U-turns and all and come, or that there is no parking or something. So we parked it there. So me and Nelson, I told no. So we both were standing there. We went to at the side of the road. Nice view was there, taking photos and all. Suddenly, couples photo shoot. They came out with the drone and all. We had to leave the place and come. Hey, auntie, uncle. Kia.
Change the logo.
So we've reached the spot. We have to climb all the way up over there. We are setting up our gimbal. Now see the drama.
This goes beyond 15 meters. Yeah.
Huh?
You're using a old app or
Sorry?
this one?
Gimbal.
This is not a drone.
This is not a drone.
Oh,
This is a gimbal.
okay.
Rare level. Aha. நான் ஊஞ்சலுக்குதுங்க வணிஞ்சு போயிருந்துங்கிறது கீழே ஊஞ்சலா கிரீடலா. Look at this view. Climate is also pleasant, not so cold. Then we thought we'll climb that peak and go. It was like seeing that peak, no? I forgot all the fat on my face. It was that high. Seeing it from down, it was very easy. Climbing it, we didn't have breakfast also in the morning. So luckily we had tender coconut over there and we climbed. Or else in the halfway, all three of us would have been flat.
ஒரு ஆட்டி என்ன ஆச்சு பேலஸ் கிரவுண்ட்ல வச்சிருந்தாங்க கல்யாணம் கீழே ஃபுல் மண்ணு கிரவுண்ட்ல அதை ஒர்க் அவுட்க்கிற கீழே இருக்கிற மண்ணெல்லாம் ஏன்ஸ்ட்டு மேலே
There on wedding photo shoot is happening. That is why we moved out from that place. Yeri. Oh my god. இது மேலே ஏறி நின்னா உடஞ்சிச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்ணுறது சொல்லுங்க. டூவீலர் எடுத்துக்கின அப்படியே அந்த சந்துவில் போயிட்டு
ஆனால் உன் பைக் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதில் பீஸ்ஃபுல் ஆயிரும் அது மேலே
எது மேலே
அது ஸ்டேர்ஸ் மேலே
ஏறும் வீலிங் அடிச்சு நான் ரோல் ஆகின்னு வருவேன் கீழே.
அது பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணி
ஆமாம்
இடி போகணும்.
ಓಹೋ ಬಿಂದಾಸ್.
ನಿನ್ ಕೈಲಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಹತ್ತೀನೋ ಹತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ
போலாமாங்க மோஸ் வில் கோ தேர் go like this. He's gone off already. So you can.
Look at this view. Everywhere the view looks the same. The climbing was all the way you're climbing, you'll see nice view all around you. We've successfully climbed 20 steps, I guess. We have still another 1800 steps to climb. இதை பார்த்து வளைஞ்சு போயிட்டியா மைக் பிடிச்சின்னு வெஹிக்கல் நம்பர் KA அந்த மாதிரி. ஏன்னா அவங்க அப்பா அம்மா வந்து திட்டிட போகிறாங்க. கண்டுக்கதே இல்லாமல்
அந்த பசங்க சூட்கேஸ்
தூக்கி சூட்கேஸ்குள்ளே போட்டுருவாங்க. I couldn't make a straight way. One hairpin bend here only. எவ்வளோ 2 hairpin bend ஆச்சா? ஒரு hairpin bend. இப்போ இங்கே ஒரு hairpin bend இருக்குது.
Thank God we took path. கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாக ஆகுது. After climbing, this is like 10 kg dumbbell to me.
Third hairpin bend. If come halfway, another 3/4 way. No, another small way. You can see a car from here. I can see my house only from here. We've resumed our journey after taking a break. We've reached the top. So we went. We reached the top. Nice view to us. Nice hot it was. So I was recording time lapse and all. I kept the time lapse and I went down. Not down means not full all the way down. I mean the side down. There down to take photographs. My uncle was taking photo. The GoPro was recording the time lapse. I was just checking if the GoPro is there, not there, not there. Suddenly I see GoPro is not there. I'm like, ayyo, GoPro went off. I see GoPro's fallen down. Luckily nothing happened. I had all the case thanks to Yantral School of Gadgets. Got a nice case for the GoPro. No damage. So my uncle literally sat there. He sat there. He was setting up the gimbal. Now we are gonna set up the gimbal. Nice pose. Ile podungappa. Good.
இங்க கைதி பிக்சர் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? பார்த்தது இல்லையா? ஒரு பேக்ரவுண்ட் மியூசிக் வரும்.
Few moments later.
But if we have drone, no, it's sorted. Stand on place, take.
You guys are convincing me to buy the drone. My dad's gonna kill me.
Everyone was seeing. He was recording time lapses and all. So we finished recording the time lapse and all. Now getting down from the hill, we thought it will be easy. That was more difficult than climbing upwards. We are going back down. Aha, பார்க்கிறதுக்கே ஒரு மாதிரியா இருக்குதே. You have to go all the way down. Our car is somewhere there. There. Okay, so unfortunately the I-20 couldn't reach its destination. Serious?
No. I was still walking and going. Is that location which you shared, no? Which is there on the GPS? That's just the board.